Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Biodance Collagen Mask Easy Guide. Start by washing and patting your face dry, then open one sachet and remove the mask with clean hands. Hold by the edges to avoid contaminating the serum. Align the mask to eyes and nose, smooth out air pockets, and leave in place for 15 to 20 minutes, relaxing while the collagen and serum absorb into skin. Begin with a gentle patch test behind the ear if you have reactive skin, then prepare by using a light toner or essence to boost absorption. Carefully unfold the mask and position it on the face, smoothing from the center outward to remove bubbles. Relax for the full recommended 15 to 20 minutes, avoid talking or stretching the mask, and breathe normally while the collagen formula works to hydrate and plump skin effectively. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more easy skincare guides. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's handy during mask time and keeps you sipping while you relax. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When time is up, slowly peel the mask from the chin upward to protect delicate skin and avoid tugging. Use fingertips to gently pat any remaining serum into the face and neck until fully absorbed. This improves penetration and reduces waste. Finish with your regular moisturizer and apply SPF if it's daytime. Using these masks 1 to 3 times weekly supports hydration and helps skin feel smoother and firmer over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.